To install your stainless steel caddy, you will need a measuring tape, level, jigsaw or razor blade, and a caulk gun. Installing the caddy must be done in combination with installing the wall panel. The first step is to install blocking where the bottom of the caddy will rest. If a stud is in the way of the desired caddy location, cut and reframe the wall to accommodate the caddy placement. This can only be done on non-load-bearing walls. Once the blocking is in place, install the backer board. Next, measure and mark the placement of the caddy on the backer board. Use a level to ensure lines are perfectly vertical and horizontal. For the 13-inch by 13-inch caddy, the size of the cutout will need to be 13 5/8 inches by 13 5/8 inches. For the large 13-inch by 34-inch caddy, the size of the cutout will need to be 13.5 inches by 34.5 inches. Next, cut open the hole using a jigsaw or razor blade. Dry fit the plastic liner to make sure it fits properly. Apply Performance Pro adhesive on the back wall and the bottom 2x4 blocking. Then apply a solid bead of Performance Pro adhesive around the hole, creating a watertight gasket. Press the plastic waterproof liner tightly into place, making sure the lip of the liner is sitting tight against the backer board. Measure the distances from the side walls and floor to the inside edge of the caddy liner. Then cut the wall panel according to the shower installation instructions. Dry fit the panel first, then, using the measurements taken, mark on the panel the placement of the caddy. Cut out the caddy hole using a jigsaw or razor blade. The cutout area should be slightly smaller than the cutout for the backer board. If the cutout of the panel will be used as a back panel of the caddy, a razor blade will need to be used for a more precise cut. Once the hole is cut, dry fit the panel and the caddy to ensure a proper fit. Then install the shower wall panel. Add a bead of adhesive around the lip of the waterproof liner to create a watertight gasket. Next, apply dots of adhesive on all surfaces of the liner, and additional dots in the back 4 corners of the liner. Next, apply a 1/4-inch bead of silicone around the perimeter of the cutout, which will serve as a gasket right behind the lip of the stainless steel caddy. Press the caddy into place. Add more silicone in any gaps behind the caddy's lip. Use denatured alcohol and a rag to wipe away and clean excess silicone. Optionally, if you would like to use the cutout from the wall panel as the caddy back panel, it will need to be cut to size. A table saw is recommended to ensure precise, parallel cuts. Apply a few small beads of adhesive on the back of each panel and press them into place. Then caulk around the edges with silicone. After the caddy is installed, clean any excess silicone with denatured alcohol.